Welcome to SAK Mods. Today I've got an 84mm build here with some micarta scales, and these are plus scales. So they do include the pin here, the ink pen. No parcel hook on the 84mm, but can still be pretty handy. I got these scales from a maker named Taschenmesser Mad. That's his card here. Very nice scales. On the cross here, he did a red G10 inlay for me. I think it turned out really nice. Got the red tweezer and toothpick. The liners are made of brass, and this has got 5 layers, so it's got some heft to it. On this build I did include some 85mm parts, one of them being the mag glass. And all these tools have been acid etched and brass washed. The other 85mm part here is the scissors. We've got a saw from the 84mm, what used to be the Walker model, but these also come on my first Victorinox H model. So it's a good place to harvest these saws from. We've got the opener layer with the can opener and small slotted tip screwdriver. Of course, the cap lifter with large slotted tip screwdriver and the wire stripper. Of course, the large blade. And we've got the file here. For the back tools, we have the awl. And the Phillips driver. Well, I think it's going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It's really going to help out. And thank you for watching.